Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, standard second semester second book. I have already completed the lesson Self-Help is the Best Help and asked you to write the words. Now, I have completed the lesson and also asked you to write the words, isn't it? Yes. Now, page number 28. Page number 28. Oral work. Oral work. Who helps you at home in your studies? Who helps you at home in your studies? Who helps you in studies? Anil wants to score good marks in his exams. What should he do? Anil wants to score good marks in his exams. What should he do? If you want to get good marks, what he should do? He should study, work hard. Work hard. Yes or no? And who helps you at home in your studies? Mother, father, brother, sister. You have to write. Your mother helps you in your studies. She has gone out for 3 days. This is your exam time. What will you do now? Now your mother helps you in your studies. Helps you, yes or no? She has gone out for 3 days. She has gone somewhere outside. So, this is your exam time. What will you do now? Now, what will you do? What is the meaning of self-help is the best help? What is the meaning of self-help is the best help? Self-help is the best help means one must make an effort to solve problems. Self-help is the best help means we have to work our own. We have to do. We have to try. At least if we are unable to do, at least we should try for doing. Not sitting idle. Not sitting idle. Okay. Now exercise. Page number 28. Page number 28. Oral work. After that exercise, fill in the blanks. Arvind was a dash. Arvind was a dash. What you will write here? Fill in the blanks. Arvind was a, write here, farmer. Arvind was a farmer, no? Farmer, F-A-R-M-E-R. Arvind was a farmer. The cart had, yes, the cart had a heavy, H-E-A-V-Y, heavy load. Heavy load. The cart had dash load, a heavy load. It began to rain dash. It began to rain heavily. Heavily, H-E-A-V-I-L-Y. Heavily. It began to rain heavily. H-E-A-V-I-L-Y. Arvind was a farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R. The cart had a dash load, a heavy, H-E-A-V-Y, heavy load. It began to rain heavily, H-E-A-V-I-L-Y, heavily. The dash helped Arvind. Who helped Arvind? The stranger. S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R. Stranger. S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R. Stranger helped Arvind. D1. The stranger helped Arvind. Helped. Okay. S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R. E1. The cart got stuck in the soft S-O-F-T, soft wet, W-E-T, wet, mud. The cart got stuck in the soft, wet mud. The cart got stuck in the soft, soft. One dash, two dash is there. One dash you write soft and the second one wet mud. W-E-T, wet, W-E-T, wet, M-U-D, mud. Now question number 2. Answer the following questions. Answer the following question. Where was Arvind returning? Where was Arvind returning? Okay. Where was Arvind returning? Arvind was returning home from the market in his bullock cart. Arvind was returning home from the market in his bullock cart. Okay. Now take down. Arvind, A-R-V-I-N-D. Arvind was, W-A-S, was returning, R-E-T-U-R-N-I-N-G, returning home, H-O-M-E, home, from, F-R-O-M, from, T-H, the market, M-A-R-K-E-T, market, in, I-N, in, H-I-S, his bullock, B-U-L-L-O-C-K, bullock, cart, C-A-R-T, Bail Gadi, bullock cart any Bail Gadi. What was there on the cart? What was there on the cart? There were heavy bags of grains in the cart. What was there on the cart? Yes, there were heavy bags of grains in the cart. There, T-H-E-R-E, there, where, W-E-R-E, where, heavy, H-E-A-V-Y, heavy, bags, B-A-G-S, bags of, O-F, of, grains, G-R-A-I-N-S, grains, in, I-N, in, T-H-E, the, C-A-R-T, cart. How did the stranger help Arvind? How did the stranger help Arvind? The stranger told Arvind not to sit and cry, but to get up and push the wheel. Get up and push the wheel. Okay, you can sit with your question textbook in front of you. See the questions also and write. Okay, I have written, but you also get checked over here. How did the stranger help Arvind? The stranger, T-H-E, the S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R, stranger told, T-O-L-D, told Arvind, A-R-V-I-N-D, Arvind, not, N-O-T, not, T-O-2, S-I-T, sit, A-N-D, and, cry, C-R-Y, cry, but, B-U-T, but, to, T-O-2, G-E-T, get, U-P, up, A-N-D, and, P-U-S-H, push, T-H-E, the, will, W-H-E-E-L, will. The stranger told Arvind not to sit and cry, but to get up and push the wheel. This is the question C1. Now question number 2. In that A, B and C is completed. Now D1. What advice did the stranger give Arvind? What advice did the stranger give Arvind? What advice did the stranger give Arvind? The stranger told Arvind that God helps those who help themselves by making an effort. Take down D question answer. D question. What advice did the stranger give Arvind? Answer is the T-H-E, the stranger, S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R. Stranger told, T-O-L-D, told Arvind, A-R-V-I-N-D, Arvind, that, T-H-A-T, that God, G-O-D, God, helps, HELPS helps, those, THOAC those, who, WHO who, help, HELP help, themselves, THEMSELVES themselves, by, PY by, making, MAKING, ANN effort, EFFORT effort. The stranger told Arvind that God helps those who help themselves by making an effort. So E1. Question E. What is the moral of the story? What is the moral of the story? Yes. What is the seer? Can you see now? What is the moral of the story? Self-help is the best help. Means one must make an effort to solve problems. Self-help is the best help. Means one must make an effort to solve problems. To solve problems. Take down SELF. Self. Can you see now? Self. Help. HELP help. Is is TH the BEST best. HELP help. Means 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 one must. ONE one. MUST must. Make MAKE make. ANN efforts. EFFORT effort. To one must make an effort to TO2 SOLVE solve problems. Solve problems. Self-help is the best help. Means one must make an effort to solve problems. To solve problems. Have you understood? Activity, language development. First one. Activity, language development. First one. Write 5 sentences using any 5 compound words you have written on the previous page. You have written on the previous page. So, A1. A postman brings letter. A postman brings 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 letters. LETTERS. A postman brings letters. Then B1 is A honeybee, HONEY, honey, BEE, honeybee collects, COLLECTS, collects nectar, NECTAR, nectar from the flowers. From the flowers. C1. A sunflower. A sunflower is big. A sunflower is big and yellow in color. And yellow, YELLOW, yellow in color, COLOUR, color. See here. A postman, postman, postman brings, brings, brings letters, letters, letters. B1. A honeybee collects a honey, 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 B collects, collects, collects nectar, nectar, nectar from, 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 the flowers, flowers. C1. A sunflower, sun, sun, flower, is, is, big, big, and yellow, yellow, in, color. D1. Now D1. We must walk on the footpath. We, must, must walk, walk, on, on the footpath, footpath, path. We must walk on the footpath, foot, path. Must, must walk, walk, on, the foot, path, footpath. Now E1 is do not allow, do not allow, a honey, do not allow a house, house fly, do not allow a house fly to sit on food, to sit on food. Do not, not allow, allow a house fly, house, fly, house fly, to, sit on, food. Do not allow a house fly to sit on food. Understood? 28. You have to write for 3 times and learn by heart. This is the homework for you. Okay? We will meet in the next video.